Hello everyone, we went to the Canadian Museum of Nature. Now we're gonna go inside. We bought tickets and I will tell you everything we did. There are 4 floors here. This is the first one. This is the dinosaur area. You could find fossils and you could notice some skeletons. Me and my brother are watching a video here. Each iPad has different dinosaurs that you could learn from. There are more dinosaurs in this corner. There's some pages that you could see and you could read them, and there's some pictures on them too. Here we're going upstairs to the 2nd floor. I'm looking through the magnifying glass to see the small things turn into the big things. You could see this too. Here my brother is watching a different dinosaur in the iPad. This is one of the videos of a different dinosaur. This is how its skeleton looks like. Here I'm reading the things about all these other different types of dinosaur parts. Here this place looks like a jungle and there are no skeletons, but there are the dinosaurs that you could feel all the dinosaurs and it feels like a jungle. Now I'm petting it. I'm taking a photo. I'm taking a photo of me feeding it. Here is one of the smallest dinosaurs. This place really looks like a jungle. And now we're checking on the other places. This is a movie theater and there are 4 more minutes for the English movie to start. We're just going in and checking what there is.
Adaptability. This lakeside oasis may seem idyllic, but the neighborhood is restless. Only a few meters away, volcanic deposits have cut a barren swath through a once great forest. But these occasional eruptions are nothing compared to the volcanic events occurring on the other side of the world. In what is now the continent of India, the greatest volcanic event since the rise of the dinosaurs has been erupting continuously for the past 500,000 years and is reaching its peak. Enough molten material has flowed out of the earth to cover an area larger than British Columbia and Alberta combined. Around the world, coastal habitat is disappearing as sea levels drop. Closer to home, tectonic forces along the edge of North America America are building the Rocky Mountains, creating frequent eruptions that fill the air with fumes and ash. Yet amid the turmoil, life continues in islands of sanctuary. It is an interesting time for life on Earth. Birds have risen to conquer the air, and small mammals are a common sight, scouring the underbrush and tree branches for their food. But make no mistake, this world is still dominated by dinosaurs, at least for one more day. Here, at the end of the Cretaceous period, dinosaurs
Now we are going out. Here's a dinosaur face. And now we're going out to check on the owls. It is raining a lot. Here is the first owl, and you gotta spot it. And there's the owl on the top. Now we're gonna check on the second cage. And there's another owl. And here there's another owl, an eagle owl. There are two. Here is a bald eagle. Now we're gonna go back, but we notice they're opening their eyes. Here we are in the mammal place. This is the third floor. We're taking a picture. The seal's body is down in the water, but its head is poking up. All of these pictures look really realistic. Here's a big tiger. Here's some other mammals. This is a white bunny. Here's a type of light flasher. Here's some other facts. This is one animal. These are more. There's a little bear looking for something. Here we're pretending to actually be on land. This is another area with other mammals. Here's some other mammals. Here's a little mouse. I'm trying to pet it. Here's some insect lands and underwater. They look really realistic too. Here's a snowy place with more mammals. I feel like I'm actually living with animals because they look really realistic. Here's a squirrel. This is a big view of mountains. Here there's a camera and showing something underneath you. Here's me. Now we're walking around the globe. This is the 4th floor. Now we're going up. Here's the water gallery. You can learn about fish. You could also see their skeletons. Here's a little video. This is called a coral. This packet has all the litter. If you look in here, you could also see some bit of plastic. Here's a little game to learn. Here you could learn about what is good. Here's some fish. I'm pretending to swim. Here are some raccoons. This is a little light bulb. They give different animal sounds. Here we're going upstairs. You could learn about how they hunt. There are some videos too. This is a wild bird clinic. Here are some pictures of dinosaurs. They show the same thing but in different ways. There's so many birds with different sizes of eggs, small eggs to the biggest eggs. There's some owls here. Here we could see everything outside.
Now we're going to the Canada Goose Arctic Gallery. Our dad just joined us from his award reception. Those things right there, which is like sparkling blue, those things are actually real ice. Me and my sister actually we were touching them and they felt so cold. They look very fantastic. That's me over there touching them. There's me, my dad, and my sister. Okay, there's some images on these ice, so they look very cool. There's swans, and now there's changing colors, purple, white, purple to white. There is a map right here, and that's me watching everything that's happening in the map. Here there is they're talking about like um everything about animals and the people who lived in the past. So like they're trying to say that in details here, like polar bears. There was a skeleton that we just passed by. Yeah, they're trying to say that. This is me. No, this is my sister. Yeah, I'm watching a video, and this is a very big elevator. Trust me, it looks super big. Me and my sister were waiting. Yeah, here. This is super big. Now that's me pressing the buttons. It's going out of the museum and taking so many pictures. Now we're going back to our hotel right over there in our right. And that's my sister walking that way. That's me hiding. And I scared her. And then now my sister is going into the hotel. That's me. And now we have to before we open it, we have to press these numbers for the code. We couldn't find out the code. That's why my dad came that way, and then like yeah, he helped us out. Yeah, this is the lobby. So now we're going to the elevator, which is right to the left. Now, when we got out of the elevator, now we're going to our hotel room. Bye. See you on our next video. Bye.